Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Arrested on Cam, and the title of the video is Disrespectful Guy Gets Reality Check After Refusing to Leave Park. Man, let's get into the video and see what they actually talking about here, man. Hopefully this is a good one.
Park's closed. What?
I said no problem.
You got your ID with you?
Yeah.
Let me get it from you. All right.
Damn, park. Damn, he need his ID just because the park is closed. He said no problem. He seemed like he was just gonna leave and dang, give me your ID. God damn.
Give me a second. Come back up here in front of my car for me where you just were at. What's wrong with you?
None.
Do what?
None.
All right, you go by Andrew?
Yeah.
All right. So earlier this year, Officer Shear told you about the park hours over here because he caught you in here around 11:30 before.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's your license back. All right. Here's your trespass. You cannot come back to the park. If you come back to the park, you get arrested.
What for?
For trespassing.
Just because it was 11:30 at night?
Because the park is closed. And you've already been told about that before.
But it wasn't that it was an issue before. It wasn't an issue before. It wasn't like he...
Come on. You arguing. It's already done. They already gave you your trespass. Listen. Get it together, man. This is not the time to argue, man. Just take the L.
Was trespassing or anything?
No, that's now you are getting trespassed.
I got shirts on the fence, dude. I'm letting them dry out.
Okay.
That's what I do. Like
out of the park is where we're going to do that.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
I don't want to hear that. No, fuck that.
So either you're leaving the park or you're going to jail. So that's your
okay,
two
I heard
options.
you. I got
then
the
get your
trespass.
stuff.
I got you, dog.
And
Chill
go.
out. I'll let my shit dry.
No, you're not doing that.
No, fuck that. Y'all did that to me the last time. In this same fucking county. I don't give a fuck. No, y'all did that shit the last time.
So get your stuff.
No, dude. Shut the fuck up. Go flag the sheriff, dog.
Don't need to.
This is what y'all did the last time, dog.
Well, you should have learned the last time.
Nah, I don't want to hear it. Get away from me, dog. That's not the game to play.
It's not a game. You're grabbing your stuff. You're leaving the park.
Okay, girls, leave it alone, bro. You got the wrong person. You got the wrong person on that one.
That's completely fine.
No, it's not completely fine.
It
you got
is.
The wrong person. You got the wrong person on that one. I'm getting some water. Appreciate it.
You're grabbing your stuff.
Shut up.
And you're leaving. If you go anywhere besides grabbing your stuff, you're going to jail.
What?
I already told you.
Getting
I
water.
just gave you a trespass. If you
What
do
am I
not
doing
leave
wrong?
now,
Getting water.
you're going to jail.
Just grab your stuff and go. I'm getting water.
Grab your stuff.
Can I get water, please?
You can grab your stuff and you can leave.
Right up the road. Just get water up there. It doesn't matter, bro. I want water now.
No.
I'm going across the bridge.
No. Get your stuff and go.
Bro. Leave me alone.
Okay. Don't.
Now this is the right angle, boy.
Get on the radio. Get on the ground or you're getting tased. Get on the radio.
Beach 21 flag warners.
Oh, that boy slammed him on this shit, boy. That boy slammed him on this shit, boy. Hold up, boy. At first, I'm like, dang, that angle sucks, bro. But okay, Arrested on Cam. They got it together, boy. They definitely got it together. Yeah, this dude, he just crashing out, bro. He a crash dummy, man. Crash dummy, man. Come on, man. Get your stuff, leave. Like, it's not that hard. You wanna act like you in control. And this is the thing with, nowadays we got so many entitled people and they think that they can control the situation. No, we still have law enforcement here. No, like, nah. Listen, when you in the right, you in the right. And when you in the wrong, you in the wrong. And that's why I was like, damn, he gonna ask for ID, but now I get it. This guy is a frequent flyer with this whole park situation. Now I get it. Cause I'm just like, damn, why the cop just don't ask him to leave and just slide out? But That's not the case. They've been dealing with this dude, but he got slammed on his shit though. I ain't gonna lie. They got his ass together, didn't they?
Just get water up there.
It doesn't matter, bro. I want water now.
No.
I'm going across the bridge.
No. Get your stuff and go.
Bro.
Okay. Don't.
Get on the radio.
Get on the ground, you're getting tased.
Oh!
Get on the radio.
Oh, they got him right, boy.
Give me your arms. Give me your arms
It's
now.
one
on my body. It's on my body. Dude, it's on my body.
We got one.
Give me. You got to get tased. Ow! I'm off.
Put your hands behind your back.
You're killing my shoulder.
Put your hands behind your back.
Oh.
You do move again, you're getting tased.
They got his ass
I
right.
didn't do anything, dude. Ah.
221, 5 1 detained. You need to notate Tango deployed.
You ain't set me up on my butt?
You had every opportunity to leave.
Hey, dude, bro, I was trying to get some water.
Beach 22 flagler, you can clean the tree.
That made no sense, dude.
It did make sense. He gave you plenty of
I
opportunity.
said, dude, I wanted some water.
Yeah, and I told you to leave.
What's the difference, dude? There's no difference. Dude, you gotta come to the hospital.
What?
Yeah, you fucking slammed me on my fucking shoulder.
Why are you saying you're trying to be resistant?
I wasn't trying to resist, dude. What are you
You got a
doing?
knife on you, just cut it off.
Bro, wait. Dude, my shoulder. You're killing my shoulder right now. You heard me, dude?
Hey, he's not doing anything. He's
But it's pulling my shoulder.
We'll get it adjusted in a minute.
Dog. Come on, bro. You should have did that before I had the fucking handcuffs on. Dog, you fucking popped my shoulder out of place. Yo, chill out.
Quit getting up.
You popped my shoulder out of place. Are you fucking
Beach 22
stupid? Get off of me. Call the fucking ambulance. You popped my shoulder out of place.
What did you give me? I see he's complaining of shoulder pain. Did you see where my glasses went? Yeah, I got them. Okay.
Bro, nigga, sit on my freaking knees. God damn it, dude. You popped my shoulder out of place. Are you stupid?
You want him? What? You want him up?
Bro.
We're trying to get you up.
No.
See, this is still the situation where it's like he still want to control the situation. Like they got him on his butt, and now he like, man, I'm getting on my knees, man. Bro, did I tell you to get on your knees, bro? Pause. You know what I'm saying? Pause. Hey, I know what you thinking. Hey. No Diddy, man. But you see what I'm saying though? Like you just gotta listen, bro. Listen. You'll go a long way if you put your listening ears on, man. That's why he in the predicament that he in. He ain't listen. You want to go get water, they telling you get your stuff and leave. You want to go get, you not listening and following instructions.
Left arm, you popped my fucking shoulder out of place.
Okay, well, we're getting you up. Stand up. I mean, people always have their damn opinion, man. We tell you to do something.
What the fuck do you mean?
Stand up. You get
Bro,
up.
I was skating earlier regardless. I've been out here for fucking 2 hours. What's wrong with you? Take me to the hospital, dog. Dog,
Why are you walking like that?
man, my shoulder's out of place.
Your shoulder has nothing to do with your legs.
Oh my God. I ain't do nothing to this dude. First of all, no. Let me talk to you. You the supervisor, dude. Let me talk to you.
Do what they say to do first.
You popped my shoulder out of place, dude. You heard me? Fuck.
Try.
Oh, okay.
What are you doing, dog? It's lit. Bro. Be careful. Bro, you gotta take me to the hospital. My shoulder is out of place.
In the car.
Can I get medical attention, please?
In the car.
No, I'm being dead ass.
Sit
like,
down in the car. They're on the way.
fuck.
Scoot in there.
I need air, dog.
Okay, the window's down. Scoot in there.
Nah, bro.
Yes. Scoot in there. I'm pulling you in from the other side.
Bro, my
I don't know why
shoulders-
you got to make everything so difficult. Scoot in the car.
Dog, I don't make it difficult, but literally my shoulder is literally fucked up right now.
There you go.
I'm uncomfortable.
He decided to fight. It's unlocked.
You're going to talk to them and be pleasant to the paramedics. To the paramedics.
Fuck, yeah.
There he is.
Fuck.
What's going on there?
My fucking shoulder's out of place. Fuck, this fucking dude fucking flipped me. Fucking asshole. So I told you, chill out, dog. I'm a fucking athlete. I've been here since like 4 o'clock in the fucking day. Fuck. 2 of my shoulders out of place.
Both you said both your shoulders out of place?
Oh, my left one.
Your left one?
Fuck.
Okay.
And I've been on a fucking workers' comp injury, you dumbass. Fuck.
Stay over here. Tell them to stress you.
Bro, look at it.
Not injured.
Hey, bud, can you stand up real quick?
Andrew, stand up for him. Let him look at you.
Is your left one?
Yeah. Fuck.
Where you hurting?
My fucking foot on my shoulder.
You want to go to the hospital by ambulance?
Yeah, bro.
All right.
Oh man. Listen, don't be crying now, man. You wasn't crying when they was telling you to leave the park. Gave you your trespass, leave the park. Now you want to cry because you can't follow instructions. I don't understand it. Because listen, I don't feel bad. I really don't. I don't feel bad because we got to look at the origin of the situation. You've been told about this park incident prior. They catch you at the park again, give you your trespass, tell you, all right, hit the road. You don't want to hit the road. You want to do your laundry or whatever the hell you got going on over there at the park. And now you want to cry because of what happened during the aftermath. That ain't the cop fault that you on a workers' comp injury. That ain't the cop fault that you know, that your shoulder's out of place and all that. Nah, this is a result of you not following instructions and you want to resist. Fair game.
We're going to walk you to our side door and then walk you in, okay?
Ride with him? Or he doesn't pay someone's going to ride with him and you do the paperwork. That's fine. Down there. That's fine. All right, get up. We're going to walk over there. Pull your right foot up. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.